Welcome to another Mockitt tutorial. Last time, we learned how to create an audio prototype. In this video, let's try to create a video prototype. A video widget allows you to add a video player to your prototype. Mockitt widget not only supports MP4, webM and OGG file, but also accepts YouTube and Vimeo links. Let's get started. We will create the video screen in the music prototype we created before. To learn how to add audio in a prototype, please check our previous video. Let's begin. As you can see, we created a screen named Video Screen. We will add Video Widget here. Now we begin to add video to this screen. Click Resources and found Video in the hovering window. Drag the Video widget and drop it in the center of the screen. Click the Video widget. You can adjust the size, position and its appearance. This time we set the radius to 20. In the widget setting window, we can put in a video link. Here we will fill in a YouTube video link. Here you can also select forms of playing. This time we select autoplay. Let's go back to the home page and create an interaction from the video image to the video screen. Since we set autoplay in the video screen, once we jump to that screen, the video widget will play the video automatically. Finished. Let's preview the result. To create a video prototype, you simply drag the video widget in your prototype. Then insert a video link in the settings. You can select multiple playing forms such as autoplay, loop or mute. Don't forget to give us a thumb up, and welcome to subscribe our channel for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next Mockitt tutorial.